How to make shorts on PC. What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to upload shorts on PC. For more tutorials like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell button on for more videos like this. So what we're going to do is upload a video from our computer and make sure that the dimensions of this video are for shorts. Once you have chose the video, you must edit the title, and for this I'm going to title this video YT Shorts and put a hashtag shorts. And also it is important to put shorts in the description for the algorithm and the identification of your video as a short. Now I am just guiding you on how to upload the video. You can also choose a thumbnail there in the elements of the video. And if you have nothing to add, just click on next. And you must set the video on public. It is very important that the video is in public so the viewers can see your video. Once you are done, you can click on publish, and once it is finished, you can see that your short has been updated. So I want to show you here in customization that you can also add the shorts here and make a playlist for your shorts of your channel. So this is just a simple tutorial, and I hope this helps for you guys, and see you on the next video.